Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the matchup predictor of a particular future match on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the More button down below and select League. Then you should tap on Score at the top and select the date, then a particular match. After that, you should tap on the first button at the top of the screen, which is Gamecast, and here you can find the matchup predictor section predicting the matches. So here you can see the two percentages and the teams, and as it is written down below, it is from the ESPN analytics. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.